You will learn how to export an APK in Flutter. Let's get started. You have two possible release formats when publishing to the Play Store: App Bundle or APK. We'll export it through an APK in this video. Recently, the Flutter team has received several reports from developers, indicating they are experiencing app crashes on certain devices on Android 6. If you are targeting Android 6, use the following steps. The link to this document will be in the description. From the command line, use this. Let's locate our app file. I'm going to test it on my phone. Thanks for watching.